Hi YouTubers, this is Lloyd. Welcome to my Lloyd Dennis in New Orleans Savoring Life channel. And this video I made for my Part 107 Drone Life playlist. Really a few months ago, I saw a video where somebody had hooked up a monitor to their RC2 controller, and wow, I said, I gotta do that. But anyway, welcome to my man cave. Let me show you around. This is where I do what I do. Yeah, I'm kind of eclectic. Do a little bit of everything. Got drones in here. Got my technology. Got my music stuff. Yeah, I'm living that life, y'all. So welcome to the channel. But like I said, I was on YouTube and I saw a piece by a guy, and he had figured out how to hook up the RC2 controller to a monitor. But he was talking about a cable, a custom cable that was going to cost $129. I was kind of excited. I said, you know, I really want that to do, and if I got to spend that money, well, I will. Well, luckily, when I went on Amazon to order the cable, they were out of stock. So I had to try something else. And so I tried 3 different cables, much less expensive, and they all worked. They all hooked up to the monitor. It turns out it's not so much the cable as it is the process, how you hook up, the sequence of how to connect. And so I figured that out, and all 3 of the cables that I had ordered worked. All of them much less than $129. So that's what I'm sharing with you this week. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you check out my whole channel. We're having a lot of fun. We go out dancing. I do a little cooking. And then there's my Part 107 Drone Life. So check this out. And if you like what you do, please hit that subscribe and hit that like. And if you do, we'll do more like this. I'm not a product person. I didn't intend to do this. But once I discovered that I could set up the whole setup, the monitor, cable, and even a Bluetooth mouse for less than $100. I said, I got to show this to the YouTube. I got to let the people know. You can have this setup, because I don't know about you, I love doing waypoints on my drone flights. And doing waypoints on that tiny controller with the accuracy of your fingertip just isn't that great. So with this, you have a mouse pointer, and it makes a world of a difference. Savoring Life in New Orleans. It's Lloyd Dennis. Hope you enjoy this.